I've been exploring the Paramount Plus app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Paramount Plus app. Paramount Plus is a streaming app that brings together TV shows, movies, live sports, and exclusive originals, all in one place. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions, Paramount Plus offers a mix of content from CBS, Showtime, Nickelodeon, MTV, and more, making it a solid all-in-one entertainment hub. In terms of features, Paramount Plus lets you stream hit series like Star Trek, Strange New Worlds, Survivor, and Yellowstone spin-offs, along with a big library of movies from Paramount Pictures and MGM. Sports fans get access to NFL on CBS, UEFA, Champions League Soccer, and events like March Madness. You can create up to 6 profiles, including kid-friendly modes, watch live TV channels, and even download shows to watch offline with a premium plan. There are 2 subscription tiers: the Essential plan with ads and the Premium plan, which offers ad-free viewing and live local CBS streaming. From my personal experience, the app's content variety keeps me entertained, and it's nice having sports and originals under one subscription. Streaming quality is usually good, and the user interface is straightforward enough to find shows and manage profiles easily. I also like the option to download shows for offline watching, which comes in handy on trips. That said, occasional ads can be a bit intrusive on the Essential plan, and the app sometimes glitches, crashing or freezing, especially if my internet connection wavers. I also wish the search function was a bit quicker and more reliable. On the downside, some users report ongoing bugs like buffering, slow load times, or app crashes. The ad load on the Essential plan might be distracting if you're binge watching. Plus, certain features are locked behind the Premium plan subscription, which costs extra. Customer support can be slow to respond when issues arise. Also, the app is officially only available in the US, so international fans might feel left out. Overall, Paramount Plus offers great value if you want a mix of live sports, classic TV, and new originals all in one app. It works well for families and sports fans, but be ready to deal with ads and occasional app hiccups unless you upgrade. So if you want a diverse entertainment lineup without hopping between many services, Paramount Plus is definitely worth trying out. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.